Good day, guys. Welcome to another class. And in this class, we are going to be talking about collecting like terms. Collecting like terms. Now, what is the concept of like terms? Like terms simply means arranging terms of the same order that are in the same group. For example, I come to your house and I saw different mangoes. I saw different um, biscuits and I saw different pure waters. And I said, please help me arrange these because they are together. I want you to put them in their respective places. What will you do? You will take all pure waters together, right? You will take all mangoes together and you will take all biscuits together. Now, this means that we have pure water, like 5 pure water. And we have pure water, we denote it as P. It was mixed with mangoes. Let us say mango is M. We also have another pure water again. We also have another mango. We also have another pure water. Then we now have one biscuit, which is denoted by B. Then we have pure water. We have one biscuit. We have pure water. We have mango. Now, if I want to arrange this, what will I do? I will need to bring all the pure waters together, right? So we have how many pure waters? We have one pure water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of pure water here is 5 pure waters. That is the 5p, right? Okay. And after that, we um have 1 mango, 2 mango, 3 mangoes. So we have 3 mangoes. That will be 3m, right? So what are biscuits? We have 1 biscuit, 2 biscuits. So everything here will be 2b. So this is the basic of collecting like terms. When you see the same numbers can be added. But in this case now, you cannot simplify it further because P and M is different. But when you are multiplying, except if you are multiplying, this can be, you have different numbers can join together only when they are being multiplied. For example, when we have P times M, it will be equal to what? Pm. A times B will be equal to AB. Why? Because they are multiplying themselves. But if they are not multiplying, you can't have P plus M to be equal to Pn. This is very wrong because they are not multiplying. P plus M is P plus M. There is no way you can break it further, right? So that is the simple idea behind it. So let us go a little bit further into this. What if we have, for example, example 1, we have 2y plus 3x plus 4y plus 5x plus 2x, and they say simplify this expression. Why do you know that you need to simplify? Because you discover that there are many s and there are many y scattered. So what do? We bring all y together and we bring all s together. So first of all, we look for all the y's and we discover that here is y. We have y here, right? So that will be equal to 2y plus 4y, right? Plus, now we bring all the s together. We have 3x here, 5s here, 2x here. So that will be 3x plus 5x plus 2x, right? Now we can now sum the respective groups together, right? So we sum 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 6, right? So that will be 6y. Then plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. Why are we summing 3 plus 5 plus 2? Why can't we sum 3 plus 4? Because 3x and 4s are not in the same group. You sum number of x together and sum number of y's together, right? So 3 plus 5 plus 2 will be equal to 10. So this will be 10x. So the answer here is 10x. Alright, so let us go to another example. And before this example, let me drop another concept. Now, what if you have x squared plus x squared plus s squared? How do you solve this? It's still the same thing, provided that the alphabets are the same, because x squared here, x squared here, and s squared here, and s squared here are the same value, are the same thing, so they can be summed together, right? So on the literal sense, we have x square here, this is 1. We have another s square here that is the same thing like this s square, so they are now what? 2, right? We now have another s square here that is the same thing as this. They are now 3 altogether, so the answer here is equal to 3s squared. The same thing like we do before. Alright, so let us just apply this to simple equation. For example, we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 4x plus 1, and it says solve for x. What do? You collect like terms, and you know the basic law. They are very easy. You bring x together and you bring numbers together. So this will be 2x. Now we try to bring 4 to this side, right, so that x will be standing alone. So now when 4x is coming to the other side, it becomes what? Minus 4s, right, because it is crossing past an equality sign. So we take 3 to the other side, so that will be 1 minus 3, right? Now 2x minus 4x, we know that 4x is bigger than 2, and since 4x is subtracted for 2, that will be what? Minus 2x is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 2. Minus 2. So we make x the subject of formula. So if x is the subject of formula, that will be equal to minus 2 over minus 2. And minus 2, everything is equal to 1. So the answer here is x is equal to 1. Let's take one more example, and we go. If I say x plus 2x is equal to 3, find the value of x. We know that this is s and this is s, so this will be 3x is equal to 3. So that will be x is equal to 3 over 3. X is equal to 1, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you. And in the next class, we'll be going deeper into this course. Make sure you follow our past question series. So God bless you.